Congratulations, you've just bought a Spacetalk Mobile SIM. This video will show you how to activate your wearable or mobile plan. First, head to the Spacetalk Mobile website to get started. Select New Customer to create an account. If you already have an account, log in under Existing Customer. For new customers, enter your details and verify your ID. Verifying your identity is easy, and it will keep your account secure. If you bought a Spacetalk watch or a physical SIM from our website, you'll need your SIM serial number to activate. Your SIM serial number is the 13-digit number on your physical SIM or in the box your watch came in. Please do not select eSIM if it's for your Spacetalk smartwatch. Did you buy a plan from our website? We would have sent you a voucher code for that plan by email. You can enter that voucher code here. Otherwise, select a plan from the available list. The wearable plan choices are the best value for Spacetalk watch users. If you are activating for a Spacetalk watch, don't use your own mobile number. You will need a separate number for your watch to make and take calls. For all activations, you can choose the phone number or select port your existing number to transfer a mobile number. Finally, let's set up a payment method. You can use either a Visa or MasterCard. This is for your auto recharge, to keep your connection seamless and uninterrupted. This step is needed, even if you added in your voucher code earlier. Congratulations! Your new Spacetalk mobile plan should come online shortly. This usually happens within 5 minutes, but give it 4 hours in case of delays. We will email you any updates on the progress of your activation. For more help, visit spacetalk.co/support.